Hey beautiful people, today's gonna be one of those days again, just to style up differently. We're gonna play in our closet again, can't get out there, so we're going to do something fun with the stuff we already have. Let's play 3 different dresses with 1 skirt. How's that? Let's play. Hey gorgeous people, so I'm here today. Remember this that I DIY'd was a dress that just couldn't fit, so I transformed it. I have a few more of those dresses which I really love, okay, except I don't want to change them up, but I don't want to wear them like a mini anymore, and they're these here. I have a few examples. This is a really pretty one. You see, it's gorgeous. I love the style of it, but I want to do something different with it, as well as these 2. Look how cute the print is. Or this one. I'm not sure exactly which ones I'm going to show you, if all of them, but I want to make sure that all of you should have at home, for sure, one of these transparent lace kind of skirts. See, like this, and or one of these that is the bodice, and then the bottom is the part that's really sheer. Okay, so there's that, or the very sheer chiffon kind. So, not sure which one you have, but this is what we're going to do. We're going to use these skirts to transform those dresses just for a different look. So this is just a little styling tip if you have. So, I'll see you in a bit. Hey, I'm back. Okay, so yeah, this is a really cute little dress. I know, it is, but I don't really feel like wearing it like this anymore because, I mean, maybe I will now when it gets warmer, I probably will, but I think it would look really cute, and this is just a way to change it up when you're sick and tired of your dresses. Like I said, you can just have one of these skirts. Okay, right, so look how I just changed up the whole style of the dress. I find it super cute. I find this a look that you can wear to go out, and you can even belt it up if you want it. Let me move this so you can have a white screen behind you, maybe that's better. So yeah, this is one of the ways. I'm gonna just dress the other one just to show you as well how cute that is. Okay, I'm back. So, personally I love long dresses, but this is a good alternative for someone who does not want to, you know, go and get a long dress and you want to just have something long. I find that this flare at the bottom here makes it look super cute, and like I said, you can always belt it. I need to see if I have a belt around here. You know, it's something that you could do. I would just wear it like this because I think it's darling, and there you go. So switch up your dresses by doing that. I didn't style this one up. This one is a long one too. You know what? Let me try this one on for you too, so you could just see how cute it is. But you want to like see from the straight ahead, and of course this way you don't have to do anything to it, and you don't have to cut it. So if you want to wear it the way I had it before, which was super cute too, you can do that. And I'm going to try with a different skirt bottom. See what happens. Okay, so I actually kept the same bottom of the skirt just to simplify things. And see, this one is just at the knee, so it's pretty also at the knee, the skirt, to wear for sure. But if you wanted to change it up a little bit and have a little bit more of a boho feel, you know, I think it's super cute. So just do that. Add a skirt bottom, but it has to be one of these you know, transparent or lacy ones, and it makes a whole difference. Let me just move this so you can see the whole effect. There you go. Super cute again. I love it. So just add a skirt to your dresses, and this is the look you'll get.